tonight sa napakahalagang milestone sa buhay namin mag-asawa. Our marriage is not perfect. We have had our shares of challenges, misunderstandings, and difficult seasons. But through it all, we kept choosing each other. I love you, my Manny Bunny.
Freddie is right. Hindi naging madali ang journey namin. There are moments when our trust and our marriage got tested. That's why tonight, we'd like to share a special presentation with all of you. Those cards have QR codes. Please scan them with your phones. The videos, which you are about to watch, will show you the real story behind Freddie and me.
Naganda ka pa talaga for me.
Yes,
Oh, you're so sweet.
you're welcome.
I love you.
Oh! To the air! To the sea! Oh my gosh! Kabit ni Mr. Grande. Si Dara. Si Queen Dara.
Yes, ang pinakamamahal ninyong lahat, Dara Halari, ang kabit ng asawa ko.